gonna be taking this sucker off today. This stupid sound tube crap. This is the kit. This piece goes right here. This piece goes in that little hole. Can you zoom in? Kind of right there. I'm gonna pull this sucker off. As you can see, I already broke this fucking piece off. So this over here, that little clip right here, should just come right off. Push it in and pull at the same time. You should be able to just pull this pinch out. There we go. Pointless. It's gonna make it a lot easier when you're doing your spark plugs or coils. You don't have that stupid thing in the way. That little open hole right there you have, just plug it up with this sucker. There you go. Can we zoom in? And then for this one, real easy. Put it right there. Put this sucker on. There you go. Just tighten this up and you just did a sound tube delete. Cleans it up a little bit. Look at all this shit. Like, it's pointless.